How to fix Squid Busters sound problem easy and quick. I'm going to show you guys the easiest solution to fix your problem right now, so let's do it. All what you need to do guys is to open your settings of your device. Click at your apps option, search for Squid Busters and click. You will see right now this list. Just scroll it down and click add storage. Click clear cache now, and next you should back. Click on force stop and click here OK. Go directly after that to Play Store or App Store and update your Squid Busters, and after that restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.